Hi, my name is Frank LaGreco with SolarHomeMarketplace.com, and I have over 5 years of experience in the solar energy field. I have represented companies such as SolarCity, Tesla Energy, and SunPower. I have worked as both a consultant and a project manager, so I bring valuable experience to the table. I truly understand that no single approach to solar is correct for everyone. I have the resources to make sure that we are connecting customers with the right system, price, and, most importantly, the correct installer. I will take the time to ensure all questions are answered and all concepts are fully explained to make sure that the right choice is made. Utilizing Energy Advisor Hub cloud-based platform in combination with SolarHome Marketplace has allowed me to develop this phenomenal system that will help ensure your best interests are kept at heart. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you serve your needs.